Hey guys, so today we read a nonfiction informational text called Taking Care of Earth. And I really liked this book. I hope that you first looked in the table of contents because that kind of always can help us see what we're going to read about in the whole book, right? So, your activity today was to kind of find a main idea. And if you needed help with that, I put resource F at the very bottom of the PDF this week to kind of help you find the main idea and think about why that would be the main idea. So, here I just did a little example because your whole task today was just to pick one heading, read, and find the main idea. Obviously, after you've read the entire book. So I went through and I picked one heading. Remember, what is a heading? A heading is a text feature that we learned a long time ago and went over and over and over. And a heading tells us what the text below is going to be about. So, my example was this heading, Helping Earth Every Day. And you can find that heading on page 10. And I found that in the table of contents. So, I read this heading over again, and I thought to myself the entire time I was reading, what is this mostly about? Because that's what that's what the main idea is, the most important idea. What is the text mainly about, right? So I thought this part of the text, starting on page 10, was about all the things that we can do each day to help our planet. And it brought up three different examples, I guess, of ways that we can do that: reduce, reuse, and recycle. So I just added that, and that was my main idea. So if I was drawing my picture or painting my picture, whatever you want to do to be creative, I would probably draw or paint somebody reducing how much maybe we use water, turning the water off whenever we brush our teeth. I would draw someone reusing something. We read about reusing those plastic bags, remember, to make little coin purses. And then someone recycling, putting the plastic with plastic, glass with glass, paper with paper, all of that good stuff. In the other questions, it asked you, what did you kind of learn from the pictures in this book? If you were just looking at the pictures, what could you learn? And so I wanted to remind y'all of a strategy that we always used to do that some of y'all really enjoyed. Keep doing it at home, and that's a picture walk. Before you go read the entire book, kind of take a second, fast forward if it's online, or if you have the actual book, flip through it, look at all the pictures first, and then see what you can come up with, and then see how much more you learn once you read the actual story. Okay? So for your activity, the topic, which would be picking the topic and finding the main idea, the topic is just the heading. So my topic would have been Helping Earth Every Day. And then my main idea is the most important idea that I got from that topic or from that heading. And what I got from that one was that we can do things each day to help our planet. If you have questions about this, please message me or put them on your portfolio. You can also hold on to them until our Zoom tomorrow. See y'all in a bit.